No matter where I am in the world. Hey creators, your creator bestie here, Katrina Julia, multi-passionate entrepreneur, creator, and CEO. So in this video, I am diving into the top 2025 marketing predictions for creators. So grab your notebooks, grab your notepads on your phones, and get excited because we are jumping in. As a creator in 2025, you are not just a creator, you are a CEO. More than ever, creators are creating, building brands, and building a business to create it like a boss. So, number one, it's all about creators are CEOs, not just creators. So, creators are building brands using incredible tips, tools, and tech, like I share in my 75 tips, tools, and tech, like Kajabi, like Standstore, like Honeybook, just to name a few if you haven't heard of those yet. Merging creativity with strategy. So it's not just about creating content anymore. It's about building that brand. It's about the flow of marketing, which we're going to dive in even deeper. And think bigger. What's your long-term vision for your content? Is it courses? Is it ongoing brand deals? Is it retreats? Is it building a lifestyle brand with brand placement ongoing? Speaking of, number two, balancing multi-passionate entrepreneurial energy with simplicity. So I don't know about you, friends. It's the world and or the past businesses have been a lot about focus on one thing. But I believe in 2025 and beyond, it's all about capitalizing on that passionate energy, but also harnessing it at the same time to focus. So the key is clarity, streamlining your creator business, streamlining your brand while I align with core values. It's so some of my core values, if you haven't heard in my past videos, I talk about this. It's faith, freedom, passion, purpose, people, profits, and community. So I often ask myself, okay, Katrina, how are you aligning to core values here? And then asking yourself, what is it that you're aligning to? And then simplifying to align with your mission and vision as you create. Number three, the rise of the creator and CEO mindset. So this is where you start to really get into project management using incredible tools like ClickUp, like Notion. Speaking of creating incredible templates and tools for creators along those lines so that you and I create businesses faster and easier and simpler than ever before, creating with purpose and varying income streams, moving away from those one off brand deals, pitching them monthly, quarterly, annually, bundles and integrations, retreats, courses, and more. Number four, monetizing with those tools faster, like Standstore, like Kajabi, like Teachable. I've used and or tested a number of different tools and currently landing on for the last several years Kajabi, but now testing and integrating Standstore and more. Number five, the rise of templates, the how-tos. In a world where, we have powerful computers at our fingertips like never before, in a world where we Google faster sometimes than we think, it is so important to start using and creating templates for creators. More than ever, we all want plug and play solutions. We want to save time. We want to simplify our lives. That's why within my preview and my year in review template and blog, I shared for free my free Notion template for year in review, because that helps with clarity, that helps with alignment, that helps with the rise of the creator CEO. And also having already created and sharing and selling the exact templates and tools that I've been using for the last 4+ years on ClickUp, on Kajabi, on Notion, and more. Number 6, simplicity wins. So, just like I encourage you guys to learn from others, I learn from others continuously. And I recently have dived into different courses with Maria Went. And both in her courses and in an incredible book I just finished listening for the first time, Ready, Aim, Fire, talks about more than ever to focus on one core offer. So, towards the end of last year into this year, I really started focusing on the Creator School. And then anything I share from intro offers to bundles lines up to the Creator School and upgrades. So, list out your offers. What's your main product? How could you align freebies? What's your upsell? What's your downsell? How can you entice people to dive into the the journey of your final offer? And I say journey, you guys, because also it takes now creators and people an average of 8 to 10 times for them to be touched by your content, your email list, your social media before they choose to purchase. So it's so important to keep that in mind, because so many times we want to give up after the first or second time that we've shared something. And it's so important that you don't, you keep creating. Number 7, AI and automation for content creation and courses. So AI isn't replacing you, but the people that use AI will. I think of my AI as my thought leader, as my target customer, Katalea, because she helps me so much to outline things like a video script. She helps me so much to outline things like a blog post. I use AI with ChatGPT, with repurpose.io, with Opus Clip for clips like this to take from long form video and clip it into short form video. So work harder and work smarter. Bloop, correction. So this is not AI, this is me. Work smarter and not harder. AI, number 8, and I was reading AI. So I'm literally glancing at my blog post, but I'm also looking at my video script that I created in ChatGPT from the blog post. So number 8, free up your time with tech and teams. So another incredible automation tool I use is ManyChat, and I'm thinking about migrating it into StanStore because ManyChat automates my DMs, but StanStore offers far beyond what ManyChat offers for a very similar price point. Speaking of, hire a VA, you guys. I've used incredible tips, tools, and tech that I share on my 75 tips, tools, and tech within VA tools like FSIs and others. Audit your tasks. Think about ways you can simplify and automate. Number 9, brand collaborations. You want to think about ongoing and bundled deals, offering long-term partnerships, offering higher ROI. Bundled deals are the future. Pitching brands strategically and consistently. And then number 10, creators are teaming up because this year is the year of collaboration and community. So thinking about that, creators are teaming up. How can you team up with a creator? For example, you can check out my influencer collaboration community, the creator community, at bit.ly/FLC influencer. And thinking about the community is everything. There's more power together, especially with aligned values, interests, abilities, people that complement creation you have, and vice versa. Finding partners to collaborate. So another platform I collaborated on within the last year was Collaboration Station. So drop down comments below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you're ready to create it like a boss, let me know which tip for the 2025 predictions for creators you are implementing first. Hit the link or click to the link to the bit.ly bit.ly/create it like a boss for more ways to create it, from the creator circle to the creator toolkit and more. And so that you grab that creator toolkit, that free creator or the free creator toolkit to create it like a boss. And let's connect on Instagram at Katrina Julia Fit if that is the platform where you love to create. And as always, remember, create, transform, and inspire because you are born to.